All right, here at Paseo Madero. It's a property I have coming up in Anaheim Hills. So this is take 6. I'm with Raul. You can see in the background right now he is doing the drone video shots. So we're going to show you how the drone's done, and as well as a little bit inside. So take a look. So you can see the drone up in the air, but you can see how it looks from his perspective. You can see where you're at, which is pretty cool. And what I like about this is you get to take the shots where you want from above. So if you were, let's say, behind a freeway, you probably don't want, that much of a shot behind, but since you have control of the drone, you can really shoot whatever you want, whether it's the neighborhood or behind. See if I get inside real quick. That's how it looks. Especially such a nice day. I don't know if you can find it. There it is. A lot of times the neighbors are like, what's going on? But this has such a huge backyard that it's really going to show well as the side yard. So how much does something like this cost?
A drone now, $1,500 plus batteries and the iPod, little few things you want to get if you like. The price went down already.
Yeah. So what do you think? Something like this now might be $1,500, a couple grand for the whole thing?
Yeah.
It's way up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what kind of shots do you usually do? Like what?
Right now, filming.
So right now he's actually filming for the video, but he also takes shots from above as well for photos.
I'm in the backyard.
So you guys get a sneak peek of the backyard. You can see the solar panels up there. Looks like neighbors have got pools, so become best friends with the neighbors if you guys want to dip in the pool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's way over there. And then we'll go inside and he'll kind of show you a little bit about doing from the inside. Back in the days, he used to have, you remember he had the big old, it looked like a harness.
Yep.
And now they have the little gimbals that work just as well. So do you hit a button just to bring it back?
Nope. I do everything manually. I prefer to control my drone.
And what about the air rights? Because I know there's times when we have listings over by Disneyland and the drone won't go up, or certain areas.
Disney has a completely no-fly zone over 5 miles radius, wherever Disney owns, 5 miles radius of their whatever they own.
So you can't go by Disney. What are some other non-fly zone areas?
All the airports.
So not by airports. What about freeways? Are those okay?
Depends on the freeway, and it depends also if it's government owned. No fly zone.
No fly zone. Got it. All right. Well, let's bring that back and then show them how you do the video inside.
Let me just.
I don't know if you guys can see it way up there. Or tell about that story. What was that one artist that tried to grab the zone or the drone and lost some fingers?
Oh, I think it was Julio Iglesias' son.
Ouch. Those things are sharp.
Julio Iglesias' son. I'm taking photos now.
I don't know if you guys can see it. What's the name of this program?
This is from DJI.
DJI. It says in-flight GPS. So can you do it auto as well?
You could, but you don't have the same control.
Got it.
It takes longer.
How many times have you had a fight with a bird protecting its nest?
A few times I have lost my drones a few times with hogs and crows. Where's all the little ones that are really defensive? Mockingbirds.
So that's why when you get the service, you know, it's not super expensive, but it's not super cheap either, because by the time you add in the cost, you know, the factors in, sometimes these drones don't make it back. So how do you land it?
I just have to put it down. I'm gonna take a
You have to manually do that?
Yep.
How high do those things go?
I have it set for 500 meters. I don't want to go higher than that.
Got it.
Just to
All right, here it comes. Or there it goes. I guess he's getting some view shots up there. And that's why I don't know if you guys ever seen those photos online or for some real estate agents, especially the nice higher end. You get those drone shots. Do you have to have a certain license to do this?
yeah, FAA license.
So you have to get an FAA license in order to do this. So if you're out there hiring someone, make sure they have the FAA license to do this. Those are the shots you're getting. All right, here we go. All right, nice job. So there you have it, drone in full effect.